Okay, we're back with D&T Adventures. And the sun's going down. We're letting the fire burn out. It snowed again, so we're cleaning up some snow. And we cleaned up all the tree, and we burned the greens. Huh? Yeah. Okay, so then we chopped up some wood and organized that. Say hi, this is Shakita. You'll see her a lot. We stacked some wood over here after we cut it, but we ran out of battery. But what I wanted to show you is we're making an igloo. And that's why he asked me to bring him a mat, because he's laying on the ground. Say hi, Dee. Making an igloo. Yeah. You got snow all over your head. Okay. So, here's the beginning. Of the igloo. And we'll be back for more. D&T's Adventures back again. So we were building an igloo over here, but it was too shallow, so we decided to scrap that idea. And since we haven't cleared this area of these, 13 inches of snow, we decided, let's get the tractor real quick and make a mound. Let's see if it freezes, see if we can make an igloo next time. Okay, I'll keep you guys posted.